No, you won't talk it. Ah, yes.
What did Mom used to say? You know what Mom said when Nick was a baby? My mother said he's going to talk holes in your socks. And he never. I suppose at about 2 he was quite a talker.
Yeah, he was. He was a cute baby.
But he was also the first.
Yeah.
Making such a noise.
Yes. Oh, it is showing off. He's just trying to imitate.
Yeah.
His feet are cute.
Fascinated with black. Anything that's black. You like it? Do it. Let me see.
He's changed a lot, eh?
Yeah, he really is.
Cute.
Yes.
You
Yes.
see her when she sits and watches TV. She's absolutely in charge.
Yeah.
You're getting further and further to the back.
Up, up. Up, up, up.
He's going to be walking soon.
Watch
I know
it,
that.
watch it, watch it, watch it, watch
But
it.
girls, I think, too.
Watch it,
Girls seem to walk
We'll do that.
earlier than boys. Boys seem to be lazy.
But you see when she does her.
Oh. He thinks, now why are you so far away from me?
Just take your feet with us.
She goes backwards. She's not going to fall.
No.
Yeah, come down. Fetch. And this one. And this one. Oh, you like this one.
Ooh. Whoops.
There you go.
Whoops.
There you go. Oh, hoek op maar crook al get there.
Yeah. Ah. Oh, that's nice. Makes so much nice noises. Full of colour. Those little studs on those socks. They're too cute.
That's sweet.
Yeah, they are.
Ja.